Ahmed Abdullah is set to go down against Hobaru Urhobo boxer Herada and this is, kind of hard fight to predict. Ahmed Abdullah having a record of 9-0, but I don't know much about his opponents. The only opponent I know is Haruna Muhammad, and he was a decent challenger. And on the other side, Obaru having 21-0, he's got big right hand, and he destroyed Martin, Cyril John, Alaitan Sudik, but lost to Timur Bibilov and Alexei Egorov. Well, on the local circuit, this guy is literally a god, but international circuit might be a problem, which might be accurate for Ahmed Abdullah too. And I have to go with neutral pick. I say someone going to sleep, so I'm going with fight, not going to distance. If I must pick a side, I'm gonna go with Obaro because of the experience.